Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker in B5 blue metallic on black interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. So nice size trunk on the Challenger, as you can see, lots of space. And if we pull this bottom piece up, underneath here, we've got the Harmon and Kardon 18 speaker stereo with the two subwoofers here in the trunk. We've got the inflation kit there for the tires, and we've got the battery in the trunk as well. So we'll just close this back up. Have a look in the seams on this car. Very, very clean, as you can see. Looks great. So we'll go ahead and close the trunk lid. We'll have a look from the back. So it's got the matte black spoiler, deck lid spoiler there with the over-the-top stripes that go up and over, all the way up to the hood there. We've got the LED tail lights. We've got the parking proximity sensors that are built into the bumper, and we've got an aftermarket exhaust. It's a BorlaAtak exhaust. It is nice and loud, sounds great. And we'll just shift around this side here. We'll have a look at the rear wheel. So there's your rear wheel, looks great. We've got red painted calipers with the Brembo brakes on it, and the slotted rotors as well. There is one little mark here that I want to point out. You might not be able to see it. Well, you can kind of see it. There's one little mark here and one little mark here. Okay, so I just want to share those with you. They are there. Outside of that, it looks outstanding. As you can see, the metallic paint on that B5 blue is just gorgeous. So over at the passenger side, we've got our power windows, our power locks. We've got the nice brown baseball stitching that runs along. Again, the nice Harmon and Kardon stereo. Have a look at the jambs, nice and clean, as you can see. It's got the Dodge floor mats with the nice brown piping that goes around the outside. And here's your passenger seat. So it's got the shaker embroidered, and again, the nice baseball stitching, perforated leather in the center. And I'll just scan slowly so you can see the condition of the chair. Looks great. And we'll just pull this forward, have a look in the back seat. So again, nice baseball stitching, perforated leather. It's got the headrest there and the center armrest or seat, whichever you prefer to use it as. So we'll move that back. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's take a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books, and there's the wheel lock key as well. So that's perfect, that's all there. We've got the shaker logo here on the vent. Have a look at the dash, it's in great shape. Awesome, so we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. On the door handle here, this is keyless entry, so this will lock and unlock the car if you have the key on you. And then in the mirror, we've got the blind spot monitor, and we also have heated mirrors as well. So I'll just start at the back here, and I'll just scan down this side for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. And then at the front there, we've got the Hemi logo. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice red painted calipers, Brembo calipers, slotted brakes. Looks great. So just have a look here under the hood. So here we are under the hood. We've got the nice shaker hood with the 392 logo. So this is the 6.4 liter V8 engine, which is 485 horsepower. It's paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, everything's nice and neat and tidy under there. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. There it is from the front. So mean looking machine, looks great. Love the stripes, the nice matte black that go up and over, and it's got the sunroof there as well. So on the front, we've got LED daytime running lights that are halos, go around the projector. The projector's nice bright HID headlight. We've got the Untitled Challenger logo there, the RT badging here. And then down below, we've got fog lights there as well. And as you can see, the chin spoiler is in great shape as well. In terms of issues, so there's one little minor stone chip here. And let's see if I can find anything else. Nope. Yeah, so outside of that, it looks great. One little mark here that's been touched up on the hood there as well. So we'll just shift around. Here's your other front wheel. So it's in great shape, as you can see. Nice red painted calipers, slotted rotors, looks great. And same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors, we've got our power locks, our power windows. Again, the nice baseball stitching that runs along, looks great. A few pockets there on the door, Harmon and Kardon stereo. And here's your driver's seat. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar and side bolster adjustment, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And let's hop in. As I get in, just have a look at the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in and we'll fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 60,850. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Just show you the sunroof here that it's open. We'll have to close that, show you the operation. Perfect. All right, so down here we've got the arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash. You've got speedo, vehicle info, performance, so track apps are there. Driver assist functions, fuel economy, trip info, audio controls, messages, screen setup, and speedometer. So those are controlled by the arrow keys here. We've got Bluetooth controls and voice command controls down here. On this side we've got cruise control, and we also have adaptive cruise control, so it can actually follow the vehicle in front of you. If it's going slower than you, it will space you according to the space that you set here, which is very cool. Up top we've got paddle shifters, plus and minus. We've got our wiper control on the stock. Down here we have our automatic headlights, and if we push, that turns on the fog lights, trunk control, and our dimmer switches. And then just inside here's your power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. On this side you've got your push button start, and then we've got our radio. So it's AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB in, so that's all options there. And then if we go controls, we got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, mirror controls, you can dim the mirror. If we go U apps, so there's just different apps, performance control, performance pages. If we hit over, there's some more quick apps, climate control, and we've got full factory navigation. So there's your nav, and if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And then down below, we've got our volume control, or mute, super track pack, forward collision warning off, traction control off, parking assist off, sport mode, and then just back page. And then we can tune and change our radio station there, or browse. And then we've got some quick controls for the heat and AC. So it is an automatic dual climate control. Here's your shifter. So it illuminates on the top there, and then you can hit it over and we can shift manually here, or again on the paddle shifters up here. We've got an illuminated cup holder, and then in the center you've got auxiliary line in, USB, SD, and 12 volt socket. So there's all the goodies, and let's just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Wow. What an awesome toy. Someone's really gonna love this one. It's one of my favorites right now for sure. So here it is from the front with the headlights on. Looks great, and we'll just scan down this side here so you can have a look. Looks great. We've got the matte black fuel door there as well. Here it is from the back. What a rumble. Sounds great. There you have it, folks. 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.